Good morning, students. Previously, we learned about the different types of nutrients, food sources, balanced diet, etc. Then food pyramid, etc. Okay. Now, today we are going to learn about nutrient-related disorders. When any nutrient, the lack of any nutrients in our body, then because of this lackness, some disorder appears in our body. So here are some discussion about this disorder. Okay, we have learned that our diet should have all the nutrients in the required amounts, means balanced diet. Lack of excess of nutrients in the body can lead to nutrient related disorders. Deficiency disorders. A person may be eating a lot of food, but the diet may not include sufficient quantities of all the required nutrients. No single food item can contain all the required nutrients. So, it is important to eat a variety of food items to get all the nutrients. All the nutrients means carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Contains such type of food we must include in our diet all these type of nutrients. The disorders caused due to the deficiency of one or more nutrients in the diet over a long time are called deficiency disorder. Bracketing this portion. What is deficiency disorder? The disorders caused due to the deficiency of one or more nutrients in the diet over a long time, okay, are called deficiency disorders. Now, here is some deficiency disorders shown. This is goiter. You see the neck of some person slightly swollen up. This is called goiter. This is scurvy. This is marasmus. This is rickets. Okay. Now come to the list here. Lists various diseases or disorders caused due to the deficiency of carbohydrates, proteins, minerals and vitamins. Deficiency disorders and their symptoms. These are the deficiency of which nutrients. These are the name of the nutrients. These are the deficiency disorder. Deficiency cause the disorder. The names of these diseases or disorders, and here are the symptoms of these diseases. Here are the symptoms of these diseases. So, here if protein, deficiency of protein, what is the disease or disorder? Kwashiorkor. Okay, K is silent and the pronunciation is Kwashiorkor. K is silent. What are the symptoms? Thin limbs, swelling of ankles, feet and belly, loss of muscles mass, sleeplessness, stunted growth, discoloration of hair. Okay. Secondly, carbohydrates and proteins. Deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins cause what is the disease or disorder? This is called marasmus. This type. Okay, marasmus. What are the symptoms? Loss of muscle mass, stunted growth, loss of body weight, rough skin, weak legs. Next, calcium. Deficiency of calcium. What happens? Bone and tooth decay. Weak bones, tooth decay, weak hair and nails. Next, iodine. What is the deficiency disorder or deficiency disease? This is goiter. Swollen glands in the neck, sluggishness, stunted mental and physical growth. Next, iron. What is the deficiency disease? Anemia. Symptoms: paleness and weakness. Potassium, muscle cramps disorder. Weakness, nausea, diarrhea, frequent urination. Okay. Next, vitamin E, vitamin A, loss of vision and skin problems. Vision becomes poor in darkness, means at the night they can't see anything or slightly lesser from the day. Poor in darkness, okay, sometimes leading to night blindness, dry skin. They can't see anything in the night. This is called night blindness. Okay. Vitamin B1. The name of vitamin B1 is thiamine. Thiamine. Deficiency disease, beriberi. Symptoms: weak muscles, very little energy, loss of weight. Vitamin B2. Deficiency disorder, erybophlavinosis. Mind it. Erybophlavinosis and photophobia. Cracked lips, inflammation of the tongue, mouth ulcer, cracks at the corners of the mouth, short throat, dryness and scaling of skin. Eyes become sensitive to bright sunlight. This is called photophobia. Eyes become sensitive to bright sunlight. They can't take bright sunlight. They can't open their eyes in bright sunlight. Okay. Vitamin B3, pellagra. Symptoms: diarrhea, drying of skin and irritability. Vitamin B12, anemia, lack of appetite, pale skin, low stamina. Vitamin C, scurvy, bleeding gums, swelling of joints, wounds take a long time to heal. Vitamin D, rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Rickets means deformed and weak bones, just like this. Okay. And osteomalacia means bone pain and prone to fractures. Okay. Next, vitamin K, bleeding disease, uncontrolled bleeding from wounds, delayed blood clotting. Okay. For today, up to here. Learn this table very carefully. From each of the nutrients, deficiency of each of the nutrients, what are the disorders and what are the symptoms of that disorder or disease. Learn this table very carefully. Okay.